836, let's get going. Okay, so in system index, we've added a BUGCHAN, which is going to split up a master memory cell into a larger image with 4 quadrants for red, green, blue, and alpha, and we're going to inspect those color channels to make sure they're correct. In the illegal stuff section, we have a whole bunch of monkey wrench macros here. These are just misspellings of identifiers. Okay, down here, const macros by system. We have the BUGCHAN constants here that are just stubbed in. And then right here, this is shader source number 8, the Bombster Josh shader. This is just a line of interest because I was looking at the source code. Okay, this is the mutable data for BUGCHAN. There's nothing here. You can see BUGCHAN is beneath backclay and above PIMP sob. Okay, backclay. Backclay was created in a previous video, and we're adding a dependency enforcer here to make sure that backclay is included after WebP URL system because backclay is going to be using the list of images from WebP URL. Okay, let's go down to the next section. So in BUGCHAN, we have our main workhorse function that's going to cut the channels into 4 quadrants using master memory cell X and Y. We have some error checkings of the bounds of MMX and MMY here, and then we'll do the work in another function. Then we have a wrapper function which takes a master memory index rather than a X and Y. We're going to bounds check this to be 0 to 15 inclusive, and then we're going to do some deriving to get MMX and MMY here. We're going to do some error checking here, and then we're going to call the workhorse function right here. Okay, then we have another wrapper function that takes a KD7 cell rather than a MMX or MMY or a MMI. So KD7 goes in. We're going to error check it, make sure it's between 0 and 6 inclusive, and then we're going to use this lookup table, KD7 to master memory index. We're going to do some debugging here, and then down here we're going to call the I believe this is the, not the workhorse function, but it's the wrapper function 1UP that calls the main workhorse function right here. Okay, and then down here, what we did previously and stuff and footnotes, but we got to get out of here. So if you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the fast playlist, and my name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch, so like, subscribe, and follow if you want to see how to make a game engine.